Hey YouTube, it's your girl, The Real Teddy Talks, educating you every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday on entrepreneurship, your hustle and your grind, and building generational wealth. And today we're going to talk about one of the monikers I use in every single video I have, which is invest in yourself 1% a day to reach your exponential greatness. I've had some questions come to me what that means and how I invest 1% of my income or my pay or whatever it is. And I think that I've had to clarify what I mean by that. When I say invest in yourself 1% a day, what I'm saying is be better, even if it's just a little bit. Be better tomorrow than you were today. And once you invest in yourself just 1% each day in something, your health, your wealth, or your relationships, because those are the three things we really care about: our health, our wealth, and our relationships. And everything can be tied back to that, right? And then I just did a video the other day when I'm talking about, are you moving in fear or are you moving in love? So are you moving in fear or are you moving in love? And once you establish all those things, then you say, well, how can I improve? You're trying to improve your health. Start eating one apple extra a day. Take a walk around the block. Take the stairs up to your job instead of taking the elevator. It's just the little things. But the key to the exponential growth is you have to do it every single day. One extra thing, if you're trying to read more books, have a book next to your bed and read 1, 2, or 3 pages every single night. So you can't finish a chapter. You're tired, you've had a long day, whatever. Just read 1 page or 2 pages till you fall asleep. And do that every day. And before you know it, you will have read the whole book. I look at investing the same way. Once I started investing regularly, I was so amazed, and significantly, I was so amazed at the exponential growth of my portfolio. I could not believe it. And the first thought I had was, man, why didn't I do this earlier? Because had I, should I, coulda, woulda, done it earlier, I'd have 5, 10, 20 times more sitting in my portfolio than I have now. So that is it, and that's in life. When you're thinking about somebody, call them. Say, hey, I was just thinking about you. I don't have time to talk long, but I want to let you know I was thinking about you. What's going on with you? And keep it a short conversation. Invest in yourself, your health, your wealth, your relationships, just 1% a day. And at the end of the day, at the end of the year, it won't be 365%. It's going to be tens of thousands of percent, because that's what exponential looks like. It's like a bell curve. It starts off gradual, then it shoots up. When you make your first $100,000, it's easier to make your next 200 and the 300 and the 400. Life works like that. It's like the golden ratio in life, right? It just gets bigger and better the more you put into it. So that is my short message for the day. I'm reminding you, while you're investing in yourself, to get my cryptocurrency course. By the time you're watching this video, the pre-launch is over, but the regular launch is still going. It's going to be open for 2 weeks. Take advantage of this. If you're trying to learn cryptocurrency, you don't understand it, you don't know the whys, the whats, the whens behind it, take my course. I assure you, you won't regret it. You're going to get so much value out of it. I'm also doing a joint venture with Dr. Watkins. That link is in the description box as well. Use my 35% off code if you're going to take that course. And it's going to be live. It's going to be great. It's going to be several instructors, a lot of activity, a lot of action, a lot of focus on you, the students. So I highly recommend you take either or both and invest in yourself. Just 1% a day to reach your exponential greatness. This is The Real Teddy Talks, signing off.